viewers, welcome to Nifty Astrology. I hope today also you all had a profitable day. As you all know, on this channel we share time frame with you for the next trading day. This time frame what we are sharing with you is derived from our Sarvatobhadra Chakra calculation and ephemeris calculation. I hope this time frame what we are sharing with you is useful to you all. But if you are seeing this video and if you are investing in the market, please I request you all, please consult your financial advisor before investing in the market. So let's start the video for the tomorrow, how the day will be. In this video we will be first discussing about the Nifty and Bank Nifty sector wise, FII DII data, about the Asian and the European markets, and then Astro time frame, range of the market, and one or two important points that may impact the market tomorrow. So let's start the video. First of all, Nifty and Bank Nifty both today opened with a small gap up. Nifty, if you will say, it opened with 36 points gap up, and then it suddenly had a fall. It tried to recover its fall and it was consolidating in a particular range only. You can see up and down movement was going on in the Nifty, and around 2:30 if you will see, there was a sharp rise in the market, and then it was not sustained by the Nifty, and it again showed a sharp fall also. So overall, where the Nifty today opened, it gave a closing around that only. Today Nifty made a high of 15,256. This shows it may go upward, but it didn't sustain over there, and it again came back to its closing and gave closing around 15,197, whereas its opening was 15,211. It's almost close to its opening only. Closing is very close to its opening only. Similarly, if we talk about the Bank Nifty also today opened with 263 points gap up, around 34,869. Overall, if you'll say, it tried to cross the level 35,000, but it also had a sudden fall, and then again it tried to recover, and there was a up and down movement going on. And around 2:30, same way as we have seen the momentum in Nifty, same way we have seen the momentum in the Bank Nifty, and around 2:30 it crossed the level, and it was like in very positive phase, and it was consolidated, it reached that level, and then again at around 3 o'clock only it again came back to the lower position, that was around 34,800 or 900. So same way if you will see, Nifty and Bank Nifty both were today, if you will see their chart, they are in the same manner only, and they both had a rise and they both had a fall also. They were not able to sustain the rise. So this is what we have seen in the Nifty and Bank Nifty today, and Bank Nifty finally gave closing around 34,943, that is 337 points positive. In percentage if you will see, it is 0.92%, whereas in Bank Nifty if you will say, it gave closing with plus 22 points only, and it was around 0.15 percentage. So this was about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now if I talk about the sector wise, Nifty Metal had a fall of 0.6%, Nifty FMCG 0.34%, and Nifty PSU had a rise of 2.16%. If you'll see in SBI itself, today SBI opened with a good gap up, and it was trying to sustain over there, and around 2:30 we also saw a little rise in that SBI bank. So PSU sector was performing really well. Nifty Realty 1.36% high, Media 1.2% high. If I'll talk about the FI and DI data, FI gave a selling of FI bought the things, did buying of 585.36 crore, and DI sell of the things of 707.69 crore. Similarly, if we talk about the Asian and the European markets, Asian market closed flat, whereas European market at the time of Indian market closing were slightly green. There was no strong bullishness, but yeah, it was having little edge compared to the normal Indian market. So that is why if you'll see in global market, slight bullishness was seen in the European market. Now if I talk about the Astro time frame, if please write down the Astro time frame. 9:15 to 10 o'clock, we can see little positiveness is there will be there in the market. Then 10 o'clock to 11:15, slight dip you can see in the market. 11:15 to 12:30, it will be a positive trend. And then 12:30 to 2:30, there will be up and down, both side movement you can see in this time. And 2:30 to 3:30, we can see a dip in the market. So this was the time frame what I want to share with you. Then next is our range. So our range for Nifty is 15,300 to 15,000. Right now Nifty is facing, it will be facing a resistance at around 15,200. 15,300 it will be facing resistance. So I have just mentioned 15,300 level, whereas Bank Nifty will be facing resistance at 35,200. So that will be a strong resistance for Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, the range can be 35,500 to 34,200. Now some quick points I just want to mention, which may impact the market, and which are the sector which may show a good result, so you can focus on them also. Overall, if you'll see, Nifty had a hike, but it gave a closing flat only. Interesting was to watch Bank Nifty today. Bank Nifty had a very great rise and fall also, both we have seen together. If we see example of that, Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank, two banks are there which usually follow the same trend. But today if you'll see, IndusInd Bank was showing fall of 1%, whereas Axis Bank was positive 1.2%, 1.4%, sorry. Whereas similarly, if we'll see, there is a rumors going on about the GameStop short squeeze round 2. So because of that also some impact you can see on the market. Some stocks are likely to be benefited because due to reduced this rest time is Delta Corp is there, reality industry, hotel industry is there. You can see example in today in hotel industry, you can see, take example of ITC. There was a rise in the percentage of a share is by 1%. So there was a movement going on. So please, though these are rumors only, but then too also it may get an impact on the market. So please try to take your trades properly and safely, and whatever things you are doing, I advise ki you do on the intraday basis only, so that whatever things are there you can just take your profit and take away your profit and be safe at home. Because so such a huge volatility is going on in the market right now na, ki we can't predict properly ki haan bhai what will be the trend. You need to be very cautious. Today market is approaching all-time high. So yeah, we are telling ki the market is in the bullish trend, but these rumors if impact affect the market, then market will suddenly fall, or what happens that doesn't know na. So whatever profit you are getting on a daily basis, please try to book that only. So if you want to inquire about our financial Kundli or premium group, we give trade in the live market. So if you want to inquire about the premium group newsletter or financial Kundli, if you want to make, so that for that you can ask, you can inquire on our WhatsApp number. We also have a technical courses and Astro courses. Right now Astro courses are on hold because it's the batch which is going on is full. So next batch will be starting in the October only. So for Astro I am not telling, but for technical you can apply if you are interested, and for financial Kundli and all you can inquire. You can WhatsApp me if you have any queries, so we can revert you on that only. Thank you so much and have a great trading day tomorrow. Jai Shri Krishna. Be cautiously, trade cautiously. Whatever trades you are taking, take with very utmost care and all. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna.